Welcome back to it Mzansi. We back with another one bafethu siphethe uDJ Fayo mnandi ntanga.
Angimnandi ntwana yami.
Amnandi uGeneral Nengomasha. Siphethe no Ghost. Ghost mfethu kunjani bhuti?
Kitumetse.
Uyitumetse. Uyitumetse noma siphumile.
Mfethu, I think mfethu we are not too sad mfethu, yabo. Can give it up to the boys, yabo.
Sure.
Yeah, not too upset.
Yeah. We're not too upset Mzansi. Sunday Mercedes ofing bafethu. Magents anithathe nisibeke ukuthi niyibone kanjani experiences zethu sofing.
Yeah, Vanna is always in fit. You know, it's always a beautiful outing to the surfing. And so I'm still saying, Vanna, I'm hoping with the beginning of the season, if it have something in writing goes to where our away games will be hosting them now. Go the surfing, in fact.
I'm working on it.
Beautiful, eh?
I'm working on
Please,
Ghost.
please. And so, in fact, it was packed. In fact, you could see the atmosphere with Mzansi Chabli. In fact, almost not just the surfing. In fact, almost everywhere in the country.
Sure.
People were buzzing. Some were even suggesting, or we won. Ngabe science. Ngabe by Mzansi kube holiday.
Yeah.
So mfethu packed in fact. I think it was way too packed. Because remember last lala khona asikhonanga nokuthola space. We ended up going there upstairs ngithola.
Sure.
But even that it was okay, mayicala vele it wasn't that packed because remember when phela ntwana arufika le rona le outedin tse ithuka tse itreka ra go pele no one else ngithola ke shamo
Remember, I was the one that suggested you go up.
Yeah.
Sure. And then if you fun after 5-10 minutes,
Sure.
he came back to Kala. Chance couldn't even find it.
Even before kunalaba bonile bengibeka itulo la. Abantu bayeza sengiloko
ona zonke phone la mfethu baba ngabakhopho because mfethu re ka se khone container batho ba le kaofela ntse ba tla ka mo bra kitse di
and yakhe
ngiyangizwa because nal batho ba nganya ngofasisa yona tlabe se square yabona so aparara wa mfethu the surfing mfethu beautiful mfethu you had some of the big names as well for post match Juju man. His favorite Mr. Mlombo was there.
The legend.
Speedy Jokes, my favorite was there. Who's the other guy?
Tumi.
Stop
Nonsense. Favorite Yaga
Yeah, I try.
Abakama yafana.
Hey, do. So I think overall, I'm very productive.
Yeah.
I was happy. People came through for post-match interviews. In fact, just unfortunate we didn't get a result. But number one, this offer.
100 intanga. School wena on your side?
Yeah, I think intona uyibekile ufaya mfana and I like ukuthi mfethu that place is big mfethu.
Yeah.
Just that iyaqhwala noma injalo mfethu yabo because if you compare it to amaphapu wasekasi like the normal clubs mfethu I don't think capacity wise there's any that comes close. Yabo because iyalayisha mfethu that section kara kupili and then there's this side where you get the bar as well and then you go VIP there's upstairs as well yabo so I think it can accommodate a lot of people and I think it's beautifully placed mfethu imnandi yabo mfethu amapia bewabanda as always siyabonga edisofeng bafethu there were lovely people there amapagania amakhosi amasandawana Mzansi nje beyiphumile yonke yabo so we are beautiful ntwana I'm working on a deal ukuthi sibuyele la ezipagania ngithi manje siye njengoba si South Africa so kuyela sipagania
leyo deal ayithu mfethu fire nabayacaba nabo they can see we should just formalize it because
and ntwana ke opula rano la ka ro mfethu phela awuthi shayile ndawo mfethu ntwana I took a moment to look at it and say mfethu literally everything.
Wow.
Nanepool.
Imagine Kasama.
There's a pool
Yes,
there.
there's a pool, there's a spa.
Yeah.
They like everything.
Everything.
Wanthola kuleli ngisho. Masongenile ngaphakathi nje ukuthi usasekasi.
Yeah, next.
Next.
Next. And Ntwana, that's, I think we must give them kudos to that.
Sure.
Because at least Sansen Mogasi, you can see
Yeah.
like everything is premium
Sure,
class.
sure,
So,
sure.
so yeah, I think in fact to big
Super
ups,
Sport
big
was
ups.
there as well.
Yeah.
Cause
Ntanga, it's a big sport.
because you saw even before the game,
Sure.
they were producing live footages.
Yeah,
of
on
people
screen.
that were interviewed. I even did an interview with Super Sport.
You didn't see it.
Super Sport.
Did they aid though?
Yeah.
Nearly live.
I don't think it was live.
Bazokuveza Ntanga.
I don't think because I wanna tell the way, or maybe nearly live. I don't know.
You didn't ask them.
I didn't because no little after
were wrapping
I
up.
again. Then I felt again after years and I'm talking now and then really come on Rawaka and what I can have I just wait on the side. So I sure but I because ki life ki oma the ad break vele ki space or ki ntwele I wish I know that upload maybe just before the game until so
Yeah.
I don't really know how they worked it out.
Yeah, you must follow it up, mona. Kispan, impela span nera.
Yeah, now look send the invoice.
Yeah, you must send something. What's going on?
What's going on?
I gave him premium
Oh,
analysis.
yeah, just like that. And then
Like
it's stored somewhere in the cabinet, somewhere. People must see that thing.
Even the SABC, Yakumbula, you once did one.
SABC, yeah.
Did you see yourself there?
Man, yeah.
Did you see yourself?
You know, no, but that's the thing. Like, actually, because at that time, Sida, young Tola, and actually doing our own thing, they're probably going to air during that time. So I say that's such a busy, and you don't have time to look at SABC or Super Sport. They pick up some big sass.
Yeah.
And I know my highlights.
Sure.
Guys, mina on my end, into enishilo bafethu anami ngivumelana nayo. Into engincanywayo ntangi user friendly. Yangithola.
Yeah.
Like user friendly ntanga ghost ngenye indlela like you do surfing nabantu abara. I think you mentioned a good point. Abantu ntanga like they are good people mfethu.
Sure.
Sikhalelana. Next season sohlale sinabo if sinamawe game ethu simnandi.
Yeah.
The surfing is a place to go bafethu.
This is
it is.
place to go.
Yeah.
And Rockefeller as well. Beautiful.
And Rockefeller as
Our
well.
other hope.
That's our other hope.
Sazobanika content emnandi khulileke. Yeah. Then moving straight away to game Bafana 0 against Canada 1. Awusiphi intanga premium analysis.
Cook baba, cook.
Angeke uJV fanda.
It was an okay game from Bafana. Understand?
Sorry, what?
Okay game.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't hear that okay wait. So
No, it was an okay game in a sense that we didn't really create much on tour like and I said it on my post match and I think I think that was the main reason we just watched some highlights as well just to remind ourselves you named it there were few misplaced passes on tour. And sometimes it's something that can take you out of a game, young Tola. Just 1-2. Suddenly you are under pressure, you can't really play, young Tola. There's that panic, as well as obviously playing against the co-host nation, young Tola. Obviously the crowd is on their side, young Tola. Hostage atmosphere, young Tola. So there were a lot of factors that were against us. And it didn't help that thing with Hugo Pro's night decided to pull Mukwena out of nowhere. After telling them better, one would at least Uzamu crazy like he came here.
Sure.
So I think that in fact I Sizanga and again in fact Hugo Pro's in fact our Cocomelon, you understand? Yeah. Some Kalelu Cocomelon in fact he wasn't supposed to be substituted in that game.
Sure.
As I said, in fact, a lot of people were having like average games. Why do you pick on really? I won't talk about the injury because I haven't heard anything. I heard people saying injury this, injury that. But you know, sometimes these things can be used to cover up. Young
Sure.
They are smart, those guys. They know Uti, people are going to scream and what and what. Some is a decision that they can take in the dressing room to say, just say you have a nil long term.
Yeah.
Is he going to dispute no Yogo pros? He's a young player, he's obviously going to comply. So I think that as well now it didn't really help much our second half. Hence we saw what we saw. A couple of standout performers from Begizeli. Shout out to him.
Shout
He has
out,
been
shout out.
consistent
TLP.
throughout the tournament.
Yeah.
And I think he's going to get a move to one of the top 5 leagues. Like the Europe.
Deserved, yeah.
And and Ocon as well, in fact. Ocon
Ocon plays
is
so
going
well.
a bit under the radar now, in
Sure.
fact. We bambile, I don't wanna lie. So that defensive, in fact, with centre backs, I think if they complement each other so well.
Nice, ne?
Because Omo Agero Dalaga left,
Yeah.
Omo Dalaga right. They have that thing as strength. Ocon, what I like about him, only high TV. So even aerial balls, he can compete. Mohazi, you know, he's short, but he has too special. In fact, he can rise above anyone.
Angeke mhlulwe indoda yomunye
There's no
umuzi.
young Tony in danger.
Yeah.
Shout out to Mudiba as well. In fact, after his first performance, terrible performance. In fact, Pandits from Europe were making fun of him, saying there's no player there and there. But obviously, we knew there's a player. Just that reason you're calling out for Spilibili is that in fact, like competition brings out the
Also, you're referring to
Mudao.
Mudib.
Mudao. Hey, confusing Mudao Mudib.
Sure.
So Mudao, young Tola. So competition in fact brings out the best in people, young Tola. Hence we're calling out for Uspilibi, young Tola. Obviously now these players, they have social media. They can see there's a trend now, young Tola. People are starting to go this way. I have to pull up my socks, young Tola.
Yeah.
So general in fact, young Tola, that's what I like in fact. Like every position, literally, more especially defense, had a backup play, so you couldn't relax. Just that Umatara obviously is his favorite.
Sure.
Otherwise, in fact, Bafana overall, in fact, it was an okay. How many goals did you concede, in fact?
Throughout the tournament.
Throughout the tournament. So
It was 4 goals.
First 2-1 against Mexico.
We lost 2-0.
2-0, yeah.
Then we draw 1-1.
And then we drew 1-1, yeah.
Then we won 1-0.
Then we scored
Then
2.
we lost 1-0. Oh, in
See,
Dota,
now
we never scored.
2.
We scored 2, yeah.
They scored us 4.
Yes.
Scored us 4, yeah. So it's like average of 1 goal per game. It's not the defensive. It's not too bad. I think the question marks are offensive, in fact. Because of offensive, in fact, I mean 2 goals, in fact, throughout the whole tournament. What else wanna see and the other guys they do? Because you wanna jump in.
No, go.
Yeah. Because in fact, let's be honest, when I coast, in fact, we just saw even this game. In fact, there is no highlight.
Yeah, tempting.
Sure. So going forward, it was terrible, and it doesn't help. Some of our players, they must get like 3 or 4 chances to score a goal. Even not even 3 or 5 or 6 chances to score a goal.
Yeah.
So it really doesn't help.
Sure. And sorry to that, Ntwana, before Fates, I just wanted to add a point, maybe before I forget. I saw something online, and this guy was saying, no, man, the reason we are struggling to score, or part of the reason we are struggling to score, is that as a nation, like if you remember when I growing up playing, so if we're playing 4 palo, I must go fetch the ball there, fair. So generally we don't like shooting, or we don't train to shoot that much. Instead we play the ball. You know, one palo or 2 palo, like small post. So we mostly gonna concentrate on playing the ball and whatnot. And then only when you get a move maybe to professional at about 20, 21, which is like our norm, then you're gonna start now ukopanele net.
And you don't have a development.
You don't have the development.
That's a good
yabona.
one, Dan.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah, because some people will tell you, if you want to be successful or you want to be good at something, you must do it 10,000 times. So if maybe you want to be the greatest goal scorer, you must score 10,000 goals. Even if it's training, it's everywhere. You are training to do that thing, you're going to be perfect. Once you do it like 10,000 times, you are likely to be like perfect.
Sure.
So that you can do it with your eyes closed.
That's
Those Ronaldo, Mbappe, those guys, you see when they train.
Exactly.
Umuntu kuzokushayela amabhola aboma 200 a day.
Exactly.
That's a good one.
And I agree with it, like fully. And it doesn't help because the fact that sometimes we want, those guys in fit. Some of these teams, you can see they take 4 touches to get to the opposition daily. Ronald Williams will give it to Stoles, to Mudau. I don't know what we're trying to do, and then this, and this. By the time we attack, it's maybe 5 minutes later. I'm telling you, but those guys, they take like
3 touches.
One,
in the
2,
box.
3, one, so that doesn't help as well. I'm telling you, we don't have to always try to. Sometimes I respond to cheat code. We have that Mahopa guy on our defensive strike. He can launch goals to it. And if we were to look at our 2 goals, remember that one was that shot that came to penalty. That shot, our right to Masek. That came to a penalty and then we buried the penalty. It was nothing short, let's be honest. So the only goal that he scored, a real goal. Maseko where he unleashed the beautiful one. So he must really work on our finishing.
No, I agree fully, in fact. I think, in fact, even if you look at our PSL, in fact, like, you hardly find a leading goal scorer ever have 20 goals.
That's why I always encourage you, numbers. 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 You know what that will do, it will be always on your mind. I'm a striker. I need to score goals. I'm not interested in try. Okay, sometimes as you always say, I'm our opposition, they are different. Sometimes you wanna need that link up striker. But that shouldn't be your primary concern.
Main goal,
You must score goals. On a special game where they're saying, okay, now you're gonna need someone who's gonna be our link up play. Okay, do it for 1-2 games. But generally, no man, if you're a striker, I want to score goals.
Yeah, but I think you need that little bit of obsession. Because if you look at players like Ronaldo, Mbappe, those guys are obsessed with the goal. They want to score. So I think Lorna, we need that hunger more, like in our players. Because I want to know Ronaldo Mahopa, I want to anger to score a goal. Bo Foster. He can go to the wing. He's not obsessed with the goal. So we need a boxman. Simple. You do the job. But skillful. Play the ball. Play link up. Play. Give it to this guy. Finish. That's all we want. That's all we need.
So when just your analysis on the game Ghost?
Yeah, and I think pretty much agree with Fire sentiments. In fact, I think defensively we were solid. Apart from conceding that goal, we were solid in fact to the whole game. Although we saw Canada troubling us, got set piece, the cross. We saw that's where they were getting most of their chances.
We must work on that.
We must work on that. But I think defensively everyone was on song. We were on tune. In fact, Mudiba was on, Mudau was on. Okon, Bogazi on, and you mentioned Okon and Dwana. I think that guy in fact another special thing guy. He's comfortable on both legs.
Sure.
My man, he plays. You've seen him done. I am shy and done like on.
And he's composed.
Sure.
People have been saying Ocon this, Ocon that. Ocon is always Ocon. Going to give you a performance grounding, composed.
Like we have a special group here, because that one line.
And they are young players.
And on a very, very special group.
We still have Makanya and Damane, centre backs. Abangadlalanga. Like we have a squad.
Definitely have a squad.
Then, I think our defense solid, and then midfield in Fetu now was not happy with the pairing that Matala started with. And I said it even before the game. Or I don't want to see Sithole and Mokoena there.
Sharp.
Because I know I've seen that combination many times, and for now it doesn't do it. And so, so I think that Matala for me got it wrong. Mokoena, in fact, you mentioned it. In fact, a lot of loose passes. In fact, he was just not in the game. It was not one of his best games.
Yeah.
And so, Stolele and Fetu was just Stolele. Although you can't complain a lot, but it didn't give us that thing. Or in Fetu, we are solid here. I'm not. So I think that combination, I'm tired of Lena Stole. It means a player is in I think adlala lembatha la compliments him nicely mfethu ubamnandi makadlala nombatha uyabona it's easier uyabo so I think da kimoke msolante madala in the middle and then forward mfethu I think we started well really Police Moremi Magopa I was happy with that starting obviously performance wise in fact we didn't get what we wanted. I think CoComelon didn't have the best of games, the best of halves. He only played 45 minutes. But yeah, Lena I don't have a lot it's just one of those games. And it doesn't help you only get 45 minutes. You don't even have the second half to try and redeem yourself. So unlucky there for CoComelon. And then Apolisi first half, he wasn't there much. Second half, Kimuna Zama, he was trying.
75 minutes of the game for me.
Yeah,
but 75 minutes of the game.
You can pretty much say even the start of the second half, but towards the end, we get one game in. Maseko didn't have a fantastic game now. I think I would have taken him off earlier, and then. Wanna say simfethu mara asimsupply yabo simkayanga supply
there's this good ball akalikaye uMaseko first half that 10 lemekutshela ngayo ube wasondela walinga utrepe ngo left wamshaya ngebhola uMaseko mekumele adla ngazi ukuthi
uyenze but nangwana sesimina angimkhaleli kakhulu yabo
sure.
For me, we didn't create a lot of chances in that game. And then second half, obvious Matala, Onsarile, Kenya talent, we don't have a 10 now. Becomes a complicated game as well. So, from there on, in fact, my hopes were not so high. After half time, in fact, Onsarile, I was just like, let's just go to the penalties and let's see.
But I was hopeless after that substitution.
After that sub, ne?
That was like he trained me, that guy.
Sure.
You are not fully trained.
That's Matala for you. You can't tell him anything.
I keep lomo pelandlan. I like complain. Like in Ali,
you know, like
a police.
You know, police. You know,
what are you talking about?
Because thinking akafaya. Akafuna umuntu araise ama views akhe.
Yeah.
My man, raise. Like dog, a police is not having a good game.
Sure.
Literally, that's what I was saying. Don't police ufaka umremi so that we can have a speed on the side. Into mengikhalela because uyasibambezela. Yiyo mina personal. Into mengiyibona.
Wazibhele mfethu point ukuthi every time
he always says
must keep
my man.
He
always says ngwana says and I'm seeing a different thing. Which is it's his views. And there is nothing wrong about saying this about Ngwana says. And there is nothing wrong nami ngokusho kanje ngwana says. Because I think njengoba sihlale sisho we see it different. So I must keep quiet now ukuthi ngibona police akaperform.
No, he was picking on a police.
No,
and equally so Maseko was not having a great game.
Yeah.
Why are you picking on this guy?
What I'm saying. I even said to him ungayi ngama emotions. Dog. I said cause mesingadlali kula game.
Sure.
The only way mesingadlali is there ukuthi if we had a speedy wingers. Cause our police make us bambezela. Almost everybody saw that.
Sure.
So that's what I was raising. Ukuthi uka uyasibambezela. Akadonzwe. Was I wrong me saying that? Make us bambezela.
It was just not in the game.
No, dog.
And you could see He's trying, faith.
Yeah.
No, that's why I say for someone like Polipoli Coast, faith, he's a special player that no one can deny. Or police is a special
True.
player.
Ability-wise, yeah.
Ability, same as real. No
Sure.
one can,
Yeah.
So players like that, in fact,
Don't
even
generally
though
want them. Yeah.
even though they're not having best of games, as we
Sure.
said already, there were two moments where he showed or what's like Nama police.
Yeah.
To pretty much everyone,
Sure.
like
Yeah.
it was clean.
Yeah.
So that you can't really Maseko won't give you that. Okay, it will give you once or two times, but a player who's mostly going to give you that on a consistent key police. That's what I'm saying to you.
But
For you to keep on saying, keep our policy, keep our policy, keep our policy. That's not fair for
police akasigayanga next. Singayaphi akasigayanga next.
Mina in that game a check.
Next.
In that game a check.
Yeah.
Mina was our best player.
I think we are overrated. Young which is that's your views, which
Ah,
is okay,
it's
my
not,
man.
It's not just me.
It's
By
not
the
just
way,
you,
yeah.
Ipola. And it's not just me who also said he was not the best player yet. We are told.
That's just you. I was crying with you must take him out. Take him out.
Really was the best player against Czech. I need to call my check. Really was the best player for me against Czech.
Yeah, it was really and
We are told. This is football.
No. Footing is a mistake. Not even against Czech, against Mexico.
No, South Korea. I think you mean South Korea. Because Mexico had like it.
Ungene second
Oh,
half.
South Korea, yeah.
Ungene second half, yeah.
Ungene second half. And also I think that's for me
South Korea.
No uye sikhale ngaye. Urile kakhulu.
No,
ukadisha unto. Against Czech, all right. Against
Czech.
Yeah, it's Czech second game.
Yeah.
Second game against Czech.
Yeah.
Njengoba urile azozongena second half.
Yes.
Against
Czech, yeah. Against Czech.
Yeah. But so qedile school.
Really,
Yeah.
she say which game, man?
South Korea. Last game, njengoba siwina 1-0.
Sure.
Aloko lokabhakela uMaseko.
Oh, we played 4 games. In my mind, I'm thinking
Three.
we played 3. Yeah.
No, 4.
Yeah.
No, I think I get what you're saying.
Sure.
We skip our police, sifake umremi, then we have pace on the sides. Yeah.
Because mesingadlali go.
Sure.
We are not playing. So the only channel esinayo ukuthi sibabambe ngecount.
Yeah.
Uyangithola. And apolice ngeke akugaya count. Yazoyenzana uzobuyela emuva.
Uzojika.
Into mina meyingikhalisa ukuthi uyasibambezela.
Yeah.
Just jumping straight to mina to ama analysis ami kulela game. I think Canada had a game plan. Uyangithola. I think uThathu uBhibu ishilo leyo nto. Mase ngibuyela noma ngimamela ucoach wabo. I think they had a game plan for us. They know ukuthi sithatha kade ukususa ibhola, ibuild up. uWilliam uye like uzobamba ibhola kakhulu and even Fire said thina sifika kade le emapalini uyangithola angeke ngikhalela ungwana sesi ngeke ngikhalela police kakhulu ngeke ngikhalela uMaseko because like asenzanga next literally didn't do anything going forward and into engifrustrated umkwena for me he was not supposed to play or start uyangithola yes as much as he has given us the country okuningi and we know like he kili player la sishaba mfethu he has given us the lot but like uRusty yonke into uye like lokho neka late ne goal he was late
ayimfana ungayisho
ne goal he was late uye mekashaya ama wrong uyangithola I think if usithole sinokukhala ngaye maka nomkwena naye unokudlisela usithole sibone ngathi usithola kayenzi next because if you can check Sithole when he's with Mbatha right uyangithola because I think Mbatha uyamsiza when we mark and when we do those things I think if Mbatha ungene there like igame ayisaqala
sure
the game could have been better but I can't fault the boys kakhulu uyangithola the boys fought intanga
and then just to get in there Ntona you are making a good point yabo because we are explaining ukuthi sifuna uMbatha adlale no Sithole but we not really delving much into ukuthi why and I think you made a good point there uyabo and if yena ubheka ukuthi uMbatha like umkwena the difference view ukuthi ulazy Ntona and I think you once mentioned it
yabo
so manje makadlala i8 anale responsibility yokuthi mela pushe naphambili azama ukusinceda buya iflop
iability
uyabo
ngithola kana moya
sure ubulalisa untwana you are right
and Mbatha kakhulu ubheka uMbatha mayengenile akafuni ukuya all out njengomkwena you understand uMbatha ukuthi okay I'm not a number 8 basically we are 2 number 6 but there are going to be those moments nami ngizoya but makedlala nomkwena udlala as a number 6 and a number 8 and akanawo umoya so yi-element ebakhona uyangithola, but I think Canada had a game plan ntanga basifundile basiqedile. I think the boys in to fought in this World Cup. For me, I'm proud to be a South African. Yes, zikhona indawo kumele simprove kuzo in terms of scoring goals and what. But there's something which you can take in this World Cup. Ukuthi okay, isho ukuthi nathi we are capable, uyangithola. We capable of going, uyangithola. Sidlale nalama country, and as for me ukuthi sirishe last 32, I think it's an achievement. It's like we won the World Cup. For us esayidini lethu singayibheke enyini because mesohlangana neMorocco, I think it's a blessing in disguise. Mesohlangana neMorocco mezo sharks siyakhona. Have you seen Morocco? For me that's how I see.
I'm pretty much agree.
Uyangithola, Morocco like they are buzzing in this World Cup.
Who was the last team to beat Morocco?
It was us. It was us. I'm not disputing that. But what I'm saying,
now,
when we're looking at the current state, yes, we can say previously we have beaten them, but the Morocco le ekhona manje, they are competing, uyangithola. But I think coach Hugo ngamela khiphe urile. Okay, kubu khiphe urile. Akasifakele number 10 ke.
Uba
ayikho. Because nama defender amaningi. Uyangithola. For me intanga le ya game le ya umadala fanele abe namaphilisi. Makeza ukuzokhuja so that azo
matala makahambe mfana. Hey.
Angiboni ukuthi uzohamba. Angiboni ukuthi uzohamba. Usa mamela.
Akahambe.
Oh ite.
Sifuna umsindo ka. Akahambe.
But mina ngibone kanjalo, but into engifuna nje kuyisho, I'm proud of the boys. All of them.
You know, again you mentioned a good point in fact. How do you view this World Cup, Ghost Anton? Is it because it crashed out? Is it a bad dating, a bad overall performance, or are we looking at it like in fact, like out of 10 African teams, at least you managed to get to the knockout stages? So until like that, and at least in one game we showed the world who we are. So hey, fit, you know what?
That's what I was crying about. Usakhumbula first game. Abantu sebazivala kamndawo. Bazikwetla kamndawo. Bayamazi ukhokhomelona. At least intanga we have shown our true identity as much as maybe capability wise maybe asikho mnandi mhlambe ngokudefender in.
So this thing Mr. Mlambone, again it's a process. You must just accept and so like this is how it works. Sure. At least now we already opened the door. Now we know World Cup. You're gonna go again after 4 years.
AFCON is starting now. Qualifiers in September.
So it's good that at least Bafana. Finally, you are proud of our national team.
Sure.
Like after 4 years, maybe we'll reach the last 16.
After
go to semi-final. So this thing, same as when you take the league, Pirates becoming second. So it's a process. Arsenal. Same thing.
I was very far.
Now we just went to the Champions League final. We can't take it on the first attempt. We wanna take it. Even the Pagania Reading, Africa, we must accept, dude. Even the boys,
most of them, last season they've knocked.
They have knocked. They've been knocking. So now we must just accept. That's the nature of how things are.
That's life.
You knock. One day they'll open. I mean, I'm just excited to see our average player in this team. Abokhokhomelo ni abombokazi yangithola into enjani
abondamani even nombangadlala ngomakhanya nguremi
a lot of them even when you look at the bench a lot of them
even Nkotha he was injured we still have Nkotha yangithola for ibafana as much as mekangekho but like sesikhuluma with the group of young players now Vet Boy is also coming yayibona intona le yaka Harlan is also coming. I think the future looks good for us.
Yes. I think it's good that we are over our Lodge our you know those veterans Mshishi, you know. I'm not sure all this Mukwena. I'm gonna learn. I think it's going up. But at least there must be one or two who are experienced, all able to guide these young ones.
Yeah, but that's why I believe in getting them the experience while they are young. Wabona?
Yeah.
So if you throw them while they are young, that experience that you want, they'll have it now about 25, 26. Why we're not getting it? And like, no, we're gonna be talking about experience play. But now, if you look at Orkant, in fact, you talk about Bo Mbappe, Bo Man, they are senior players. In fact, it's like Nzogo.
In this 27.
We understand.
Yeah.
So if we wait for them to Rebakenye Sebalukhot, then it takes us backwards. So for me, that's why I'm always saying, forget the experience. Just put the young man there. That's how he's getting the experience. Then when we get to these situations, in fact, you don't have to stress or we have inexperienced players. Play them. Just give them those games. In fact, they are talented. The abilities there. Let them play.
Yeah.
And for you, like, shout out to Saf, then that guy, Katie McKenzie, said, hey, fortunate,
And he's passionate in that.
Na Katie, if suddenly Wafana, you qualify, knockout.
And he's passionate, you see there,
He looks like he's making the moves until like the trainer was already moving.
But at least he was part of the train.
Yeah, but shout out to him. We could have had another minister who's more incorporate, who wears suits all the time. He wouldn't even consider taking content creators to the World Cup.
You get what I'm saying?
To give us an insight. So shout out to him.
And then Tona, I wanted to add when you were speaking about the context. So previously, I get the World Cup was like 32 teams.
Yeah.
So essentially, when you go into the World Cup, you've already qualified for the last 32. In that sense. Because there were 32 teams.
Okay.
And then now they increased the teams to
I think 48.
48.
They were 32 previously.
Yeah.
32 or 36?
I think 32.
32.
Yeah, because I can remember then there was no best three.
16, Xale 16.
Yeah, it's 32.
Puma 2,
Yes.
or even the groups now. So you're my pioneer.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
So now if you look at it that way, do you say some people are putting that narrative, or if you look at it, I didn't really progress in a way. Because previously when you qualify, you get to the last 32.
Sure.
And then now we go to the last 32 and we fail to go to the last of round of 16.
For me, it's different.
Yeah, it's different.
Because football is changing. You can check the Champions League in even the World Cup.
Yeah.
For us, it's an achievement because it's going to Puma group stage, which is something as
Yeah.
So ukuthi mesku last 32, it doesn't matter because we mesuku knockout.
Yeah.
And believe you me, a lot of the guys were watching the low game the last 32 because we started foot. Yangitholi into anasitholi span there. Umbegezeli unespan akasitholile secured. Abo Cocomelon, we hearing things yangithola. Sisakhuluma sizojumpa ku Cocomelon bafethu yangithola ngala ma transfer news eswazayo. Yangithola. So it's not the same. The boys are known now. Opportunities are more. Rather than ukuthi bona baphume kuma group stages.
Yeah.
I think the boys
I would agree with that narrative if Nerutile number 3.
Yeah.
So essentially it's when you look at it this way, the number of games that we're playing 4 years ago and the number of to get out of the group stage, they are pretty much the same. We've been getting 4 points, but we've been getting number 3 most of the time.
Yeah,
so
3.
now we got 4 points, but we're number 2. So for me, in fact, that says it all. Because in fact, there's that thing of when you're under pressure, can you really produce? As I said, Carlos Polo, sometimes when maybe the second spot is secure, maybe the other team they already have maybe like a +6 goal difference. When you have 1 point, even if when you win, you must win by 8-0 or a scenario like that.
Yeah.
When the pressure is off, you can produce a result. But when there is now, I really need to win to qualify. You don't play with so that's why I'm saying that they are not the same. For me, I feel like getting that number 2 spots.
Yeah.
We can't get that.
Let's keep it on.
I wonder if they come number 3 and there were people coming with that narrative, I would say, but when you look at it, in fact, 4 years ago, when you guys qualify, and so on.
Yeah.
But now, even if it was 4 years ago, we would
qualify. We would go through. Nah, I agree, mfana.
So before we jump onto the idea,
Sure.
do you think because you see Matala is like he doesn't really want to
Doesn't want to go. Now he's holding. When they ask him the question, he's
Hey,
holding.
now
it
you think
now.
if it relax
He's not saying I'm going. No,
I
I'm not
still
sure
have
when
to-
I'll go.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And
Matala
let's
ngasithayidi
be
bafethu.
honest. Let's be honest. If it's like Safa literally will give Matala whatever he's asking for. Let's be honest.
I mean,
Those guys will appoint Matala if he say of the time deciding to stay. We'll see. Okay, let's see AFCON if it goes well. World Cup.
Yes.
Because if it rumors or repeats already applied for the job. For me, if it have been crying,
Yeah.
put pizza there.
Put pizza there. Nah, but I'm saying give pizza the job. And it deserves it.
But Mina, for me,
Pizza Vetu has done the job.
for me, it's like this. I think Miss Kuluma now no Tuske Karin.
Yeah.
Ngithi mina if umadala make ngathi
Yeah, we had this
we had
conversation.
this mabe ngathi qhubeka ngithi angaqhubeka. I think umadala isikhathi sakhe sala eSouth Africa ever since ufikile. I think it's this World Cup akas disappointed khona in terms of the way he starts. But if you can go to AFCON and what he has been doing, I think he has been doing good things. I don't know what was happening at the World Cup in terms of his span. Uyangithola. If bathu uyaqhubeka mina akaqhubeka, I do not have a problem nomadala ukuthi manje akaphuza amaphilisi akhe mfethu. Akaphuza amaphilisi akhe abe right. But mina if bathu uyaqhubeka uyaqhubeka. Upitso mina into sasikhuluma noFaya emotweni ukuthi ube wayithola ichance. So we can't say he deserves. Wakwa chance. Then you said now he's more experienced, which is I take nothing away. But I'm saying why told chance before?
Yeah. Because number two, the thing about Matala, and remember your story, is he our best coach ever?
Sure.
And I think I said yes, coach, don't all. But sometimes if you coach, you must, that fear until I can hinder you in achieving like success until I think he has a fear, Matala until and Matala is someone who's stubborn until even if when you try to advise him otherwise, it's his way or the highway, like some of the decisions like Matala are simple decisions until my question is do we want to have a dictator like going forward until who's more concerned about his favorite players, Pochembazwani. Because let's be honest, if Chembazwani was fit, didn't get that red card, I don't think we'll be hearing really there's potential
Definitely.
of him going there and there.
Definitely.
When you look at it, in that sense, or Matala sometimes, he'll have that favoritism on putting him until defensive striker, they'll always be there. They perform or they not perform.
Yeah.
They'll always be there. So those are some of the things that he doesn't really want to listen to anyone. Because let's be honest, like Mr. Mlambo wasn't a Safari that 10 years ago. Things are digital. We must be able to sense if there's a crowd that's coming this way, I have to listen to them. Like collective. So I think Matala I think he's done his part. I respect him and I think he's our best coach so far. But I think now he can hand in the reins to Pizzo. I think Pizzo has more potential of taking us to the next level.
Sure.
Yeah, I agree with you on Pizzo Mfana, but for me Matala mfethu like Matala magahambe bafethu like Matala mfethu afaya.
So the question for when is not the best. He's not the best coach Bafana which one said.
What?
Umatala.
He's not what?
The best coach Bafana ibenayo.
Ige abanayo.
Ebenayo.
Maybe.
Ungakhulumi emotionally.
Okay, Team Ibeke so. Mina for me is not the best coach. So I'm not even gonna speak about him being the best coach ever.
Who's the best coach? If he's not
what?
the best, there's the best one. Who's the best
No,
one?
I'm saying yena ngokuye nje ukuthi ashaya ispansel bafana.
If-
He's not
if
the guy.
you question him.
Mamel, think
Sure.
He's not the guy for me. We understand. I've said it in the previous pod. Uyadelela umadala. We understand, and he's a foreigner. Ozagai asinyatsa already.
Sure.
Looking down on us. We understand. So matala mina ntanga even his tactics, I don't rate them. You understand? I
My
see
question
World Cup
is-
first game in that performance
No,
in Tona was terrible.
ngiyakuzwa, is-
And it was all because of Matala. Those tactics were wrong.
But-
Even now, game we can attribute a lot of blames to Matala.
Sure,
One
sure,
dollar ke reng e
sure.
jwang. So for me, from where I'm sitting, like ke a borea, ke bua ka uthi, this
My
guy must
question,
just go.
you're not answering my question. Answer my question. I need to Matala is not the best coach. Or coach Bafana Bafana. Need to
Yeah.
who's the best coach?
Okay, why coach right now? I
It's
can't
Matala.
think of
Yes,
anyone on top of my head.
he
But
has
I
done-
also said to you, Gutindona, even when we took the AFCON, I think bigger push and
Clive,
pushy.
Yeah, Clive,
So
but Miss Nyeko.
yeah, best ngeko, but I
Best
get
ngeko,
the history is there. So what are you saying? Ukuthi manje, if we do terrible for the next 10 years, no one must speak about the success.
No, you
Matala
got
le
the
uyibona
point.
yona.
Sure.
Exactly. So my thing is, in fact, this guy, he must go, and we must get a local coach. One thought.
Sure.
Yeah, that's my stance. In fact, Matala or
Niyamuzwa,
Tenetsi,
niyamuzwa. Niyamuzwa Mzansi Coast. Mina-
Coast mfethu.
Pizzo is the best
the
candidate.
sentiment engiyisherayo ne I think uMatala usithole siphansi uyangithola usithole siphansi walivusa ibhola lethu
Yeah.
as bafana maybe even now mengeke sihlale la sikhuluma ngobafana
Yeah.
because mezosbore uyangithola and like Rivero njengoba ngihlale ngisho ngiyamkhululela isiqhoko I think in this World Cup he was bad uyangithola take nothing away but I think he's the best coach bafana ebenayo. Yeah, it's the best.
So Mr. Mlambo, sometimes sometimes umuntu can take you from here and put you here.
Sure.
And here be his silly. He
Yeah.
can't really, and then you must get someone who's gonna take you there and take you.
No,
you must be
I'm
careful
piggies,
of, yeah, you
my
must be
man.
careful of
My man.
this thing of getting trade because now he's taking us to the knockout stages first time in our history.
And
Now
it's
we think
won us-
he's
won us a
untouchable.
cause.
Sure,
There's no one who can't surpass that level.
No,
Ndona, before ngena Mr. Mlambo ngicela ukuthi nje Ndona, imagine what you just said now.
Yeah.
Or he's taking us where we've never been. Imagine that guy if you take him to AFCON if utla bartella jwang fit.
Ndwana.
Imagine the disrespect you are gonna get from this guy.
being
You
emotional.
can't.
Don't be
You can't.
emotional, because-
What's
Disky wise.
No. I know I share the same sentiment with Coast fully.
Sure.
Like this guy must just learn of it if he knows what's best for his health and because it's old, he can't afford to take in this bash.
And he wants to respond to it. That's another thing.
Yeah, he wants to respond
Exactly.
to it. And most of the time, he agrees with us. But
Sure.
he doesn't, when he gets to the media, he doesn't even want to say, I agree with them.
Yeah.
So, Lena, for his health in Dwana, he can just, let me go to my pension.
Superior complex. What are they? It's superior complex.
Yeah.
I'll never say I agree with fire. Because who's fire? What is fire?
One
Fire
soul,
is
like,
there,
hey.
man.
Yeah.
So now you want to ranking. I'm fit to like that guy. I'm good fit to
Ngiyalizwa,
dirty.
Majenzi.
Well, you know what I like about Pizzo Msimane? Pizzo had a plan. Now I'll tell you. That guy thinks I
When?
hate Coast to it.
Yeah.
Pizzo, the
the
fact
plan
that
when?
no, the fact that these things didn't go well in Africa.
Yeah, my question is when, like, he had a plan now
It's
or
like
like
that, almost.
previous.
No,
Okay,
Tala, like
Sure.
what I'm trying to say is the scatter I fell like Spain.
Sure.
The fact that he took his bags, he came to South Africa.
Yeah.
He knew Matala is probably going to be his last tiding. Who's the best candidate in South Africa? Okay, we know they might fetch someone, a white guy who has experience in AFCON, he has done so many things.
Sure. Yeah.
But if you were to focus on South Africa is head and shoulders above the rest.
Sure.
It's an obvious choice.
Sure.
Not if there's people there in South who are saying, you must go and get a white guy
Sure.
who've won AFCON before with Ghana or whoever.
Sure.
But in South Africa, it's
On a
the
competition.
clear favorite.
Sure.
Yeah.
Even if it goes with the majority of the fans are saying, bring us a local coach.
Exactly.
Someone who understands the structures, our South African flair. We have done
And also, Donna,
AFCON,
Kef.
CAF uyangithola local league uyangithola
Sure.
into enjani. So mfethu it's an obvious choice mfethu.
Yeah, and I wanted to say ukuthi mfethu uchekore the credibility that he has with him mfethu.
Yeah.
Wathola hore ke riding e jwang.
Yeah.
In fact, you can't match it to anyone in the country. Mfethu wathola hore ke riding e jwang. He's a clear favorite.
Sure.
And more than anything, he's a patriot mfethu.
Yeah,
Wathola ke South African this guy. Da re jewa ra
I
utlwa bohloko wathola.
mtho utlile ka plan.
Yeah.
I'll tell you now.
Yeah,
Sure.
it's a good point.
Nde ba metsang ithuletse fela ra matala ka after World Cup
Sure.
and when saying he's been proactive, he took his CV.
A re ke-
Akasa for Buffett.
Yeah.
If there is a space there,
I'm available.
Yeah.
I deserve it. In fact. Let's give it to Pete. In fact.
It's an obvious choice.
Yeah, it's an obvious choice.
Yeah, obvious choice.
Now it's see. Uzombona madala uzofuna ukuhlala athi hey I'm not going.
Ayingakwata mfana yiko.
Akanandaba ukuthi ukwatile uzophendula wena futhi uzoya kupress aphendule yena. You think I'm going? I'm not.
Except for Nigeria, mfana. They wanna come back strong, Ghost.
Yeah.
They wanna come back strong.
And I think that's
Onzola.
nice. Ngithola African football sisaselapho. Has grown bafethu. Has grown kakhulu. Maybe if ungachecka 90% siku knockouts. Morocco is in the last 16 now.
Yeah.
Yabona ntanga lama FIFA World Cup qualifiers azobadzima. Nigeria, Cameroon aba qualifier. I think it's good. It's good for the continent. It's good for the continent. Let's move bafethu. Let's move. Rile move ukeng transfer.
Cocomelon.
Bathi uya eBelgium.
Yeah.
Team enkulu ntanga eBelgium. Abantu bazohlala bakhuluma ntanga uyazi nabantu abazohlala bakhuluma, but mina personally I think the team le last season or last season because the season esibuya kuya ngithi last season. Last season I think ibabathathe iBelgian Cup number 2 last season. I think bazodlala i-Champions League, which is good for him. I think also that move is good ntanga. And then what he has given us South Africa sekamnandi ngengqondo. At least now he has an experience with Cup. Magia laphaya. I think things are going to go well for him. Yeah.
Ashifana, heavy sigh, young in danger because if it, I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place, Mr. Mlam, when it comes to the situation.
Sure.
I'm happy for real, in fact, young in danger. A European move, in fact, it's a dream move for the young man.
Are you really happy?
Yeah?
Are you really happy?
For really? For Cocomelon in Dana Coast. This is our Cocomelon, in fact.
This guy doesn't want Cocomelon to leave Pirates.
That's what I know.
No, Dana. No, that's not my stance. Now I'm saying Cocomelon. I was saying not even Cocomelon alone. I was saying what police about Cocomelon.
Sure.
Let's keep this group of players for like 3 seasons. And see what we can. Maybe we can conquer Africa. Maybe Sabuya Namastai too with this generation. Yeah. No, that's my World Cup. World Cup.
Yeah, if he's busy conquering Africa, ngithi fanele siyena ngara ukuthi masesidlala ngara understand nangara. So we need a mixture.
So Mr. Mlambo, players that are playing in Europe, what are they giving us? Go 4-star. We used to have Steven Pinari. They are players. A lot of them.
We used to have Benny McCarthy.
Go squatting one time.
We used to have Benny McCarthy was giving us things.
We used to have Benny
Khumalo. Zuma,
was
we
fantastic
had
as well.
Khumalo, Itemalaga Primo, Gonjuba, no, Lucas Khatebe, young Tol. They give us something.
That's the old generation fade, young Tol.
Let's create that.
But I was just referring to this generation here in England.
Sure.
The
current. So getting into real young Tol. Royal Union, what ST?
Yeah. It's Union Saint. I can't pronounce this.
Louis or something like this.
Yeah, something like that.
I think it's Kalangi Royal, the name.
Union Saint Gelos.
Yeah, you are right.
Royal Union Saint Carlos. I won't lie, it's my first time hearing of the team as a Belgium. I think those who plays Pabo Petway. I
I'm
don't
telling you, I think it was a loan nasikhathi asuka ku Brighton. Angithi wadlala na ku Club Brugge.
Yeah.
Asuka ku Brighton ube waya kule team le.
Sure.
Wadlala nje sometime. No PS udlalile in the same.
No, so you know the team.
No, I mean personally I do not know it. Angeke ngokushashaye.
I'm not telling you said.
Kane no
Yeah,
ngizwa.
that's an issue. Uthi Ghost probably knows the team.
Mina kane
That's all
ngizwa
I'm
no
saying.
njengoba ukuthi no PS itawudlale la njengoba kunale indaba.
And I read ukuthi their sporting director.
Ingada ku Brighton.
They are from Mamelodi Sundowns.
Okay.
There's another guy as well who comes from South Africa. So I think there's a South African presence there.
That's nice.
Who I think those were the guys who probably pushed for signing Yaga really.
Sure.
Although nothing has been confirmed as yet. It's just strong links. And it's probably going from USA. It's probably going to Belgium. To do his
But some credible sources. Yeah.
But I
yeah,
think
very credible.
I think now it's going.
Yeah, very credible. Yeah.
Michael Motinda.
Yeah. So shout out to Real Mfeti. When you consider what even this this team, ownership of this team is also ownership of Brighton. So as well, if there's a transition there, it will be a very smooth. And you know, Brighton, if they specialize in young talent.
Yeah.
So I think in that sense,
Young black talent, yeah.
Young black, yes. Good point as well, because it must be emphasized. Most of the black guys you see them from Brighton.
Exactly, yeah.
So I think in that sense, it's a good move. I won't lie, I'm happy for Real. Although I still felt like he should have stayed, but you know what? What's another exciting when we push, like fans pushing. But he must go. Now I'm like, reserved. Let the scouters do their thing, and even if it doesn't go, we can still.
But now, to that, and I think that helps. Because when we make that noise, we make it on social media, we posting videos to show. We understand. Sometimes that's where the algorithm will push it to a scout. Or I understand. Sometimes it can come from that angle. So I think now the pressure, it's good. And we remember we are putting this pressure because we want the best for the boy.
Sure.
Hence I always say, primary is the players. Everything else secondary.
It's the players.
Yeah. So if the players, we know the player is gonna go overseas, then it's gonna be a good move for the player. Let's do that. Let's vouch for it.
My primary is Orlando Pirates, by the way. The players, I think they are secondary.
Yeah.
Because they come and go.
Even besides like a specific Pirates play, I'm just saying general in football. Primarily, it's players. Then the teams and everything else can come secondary.
If you talk in general, now party from what Orlando Pirates, I'm wearing the Orlando Pirates cap.
Yeah.
And I'm primary is Orlando Pirates. So for you to shout out to Real, I know if it is going to represent us well, the Champions League. Imagine when you put in your Super Sport channel, if it is reliable Mufukeng is a number 10.
What
is that going to do to the young man? And I know with the financial aspect of it is going to be sorted for the rest of his life.
That's
his family as well, relatives will start calling.
What's one? No, it's a grade 2. No, do that It's a crash.
You know that.
Yeah, so it's nice. Really, he has that structure family. You can see there's people that were united.
Yeah.
Fully behind the boy is discipline. Really go there. Show the world who we are.
Yeah. Athina sesiyazi boy.
Athina
sesiyazi. Ambobonisa boy.
Mina on my end into engayisho ntanga uyazi really legend ePirates.
Yeah.
At his age,
undisputed.
Like usha abantu ababhaya mfethu. Abojali labo bakhuluma ngayo abambona abalibona idlalo yakhe. But asikho lapho. And there's something I've read. I think Lintona le more than 100 games for the Pagani.
Yeah.
So the 9 yellow cards. That's discipline down. 9 yellow cards. There's no red card there.
Sure.
Yeah. 9 and I think that boy is someone who's willing to adapt and learn from other people. I think uzosirepresenta kamnandi. Isikhathi sakhe mfethu ayithoma kayifitha.
Yeah, nami I agree mfana fully.
Hamba kahle. Bye bye. Yeah, mfethu last question. What the future holds for Bafana Bafana?
Yeah. What the future holds for Bafana. I think you're looking at a bright future, Mr. Mnam. As I said, or when you look at this group of generation, group of players, young told in Tinjan.
Sure.
Still have a lot of years, young tola, that they are looking at, young tola. Average age, in fact, I think it's about 23, 24.
Yeah.
Young tola in Tinjan. A lot of people that are left there come around that you could in fact to see or in the next coming few years until they're going to make a name for themselves. Yeah?
Emily Vet Boy. You know that boy?
Yeah. I know a lot of them, even on the bench, coach.
It's coming.
Yeah.
When you look at the bench, you could see strong one to Just yes. Just even this now what we're having now, Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't take it for granted.
Sure.
This is helping Bafana. Until I get it. I was listening to the previous co-coach, Kaizer Chiefs. They were asking him.
Those gymnastics.
Those gymnastics. That guy apparently he was given a target. You must at least be number 1 or number 2.
Champions League football.
Hey, Champions League football. And that guy, he told Robert Marawa straight, or sometimes people are not realistic. The day I'll be given that demand is the day where you see 5 or 6 players, like Kaizer Chiefs being on the national team and on the starting 11. He made a reference, or look at Mamelodi Sundowns. Look at Orlando Pirates. There are players that are on the national. Look at us. So sometimes in fact you must be realistic. So that's why I'm saying this title race that we cause. I need Manchester pusher. Sundowns will go to Brazil and fetch. Tina will go. Obviously,
7.
We have a huge investment that is gonna come in for real. We can be able to go out there, recruit. If there's a best player in the PSL. Kobo Chiefs, when they're a small team now. You can just take them from there. I get a lot of that financial muscle.
Sure.
And what I like about our team is that now, they know at the back of their minds, or we're competing against the beast that they wake up this morning, they go to Brazil, they fetch one of their best players there. Young Toil in danger. No, now they are switched on. That's why you see, whenever you see a breaking story, maybe Lorenzo is posting, he knows Orlando Pirates. They know. And then I like that ghost story. Mamelodi Sundowns, sometimes you can admire them. They have all the money. Okay, they don't have the supporters on their side. But in fact, money makes the world go around. So in fact, when they're able to go and fetch with this much money, we also go until underground and try to find someone until two different teams that are competing.
Sure.
One is financial muscle, the other one they don't have the financial muscle, but this one has the heart. Until the heart is more on the local talent. And I'm happy to be on that side, the local talent.
Sure.
Because I don't advocate of us going out there and trying to get Brazilian players. There's a lot of talent, South Africa, a lot of talent. So just to answer your question, if it will be entirely up to SAFA if from here we're going to progress or we're going to regress. If they're planning to keep Matala here, I see Matala reach this. I see this guy that he has reached this ceiling. It's going to remain here for the longest of time. And maybe he might take AFCON. I won't say because he has the experience. He have done it before, coach. You can't take that away from him.
Yeah.
But in terms of someone who can take us to the next level, now I think Peter Misimane is our guy. So at this moment, ask me that question after Matala has made his decision. And then I'll tell you a different answer.
Yeah.
Now, Yeah. I think Namfetu, you make some good points, Ntwana.
Yeah.
I think one other thing I would say, Mfetu, we're gonna get a lot of money from this World Cup. One time.
Yeah.
So me, if I'm Saf, I'm Fetu, that's money that should be going back into developing our
Sports.
our sports and like not even our league per se, but even development.
Yeah.
There's teams in Fetu that Jimango Kasi, they don't have enough balls, they don't have enough dinette, as we were saying. So that money can go there as well and help.
Yeah.
The players deserve something, I agree. You can give them something, but they already, we know, but like these guys already have money. And this Chelsea, so I think over 200 million, if I'm not mistaken, that we're gonna get from FIFA. It's a lot of money, in fact. So if we can beef up our development as well, because I think that's where we're still lacking. If we can beef up our development, then we know we stand a good chance in going into that 2030 World Cup. But Ndona, I agree with you. For Namfetu, the future for Bafana Namfetu doesn't include Matala.
Yeah,
Matala must just leave us in peace. Simkailuile World Cup ushayile. Makasuka da USA yakahlomi plane ya straight Belgium. Ngithola angasabuyi. Uyayibona.
Because kumazi.
Mele yabona nguMatala mele sibe decisive mfethu. Yabona masingafuna ukudilidala la. That's where we're gonna regress, Ntwana. If we keep Matala there, Ntwana, I can bet you now, Ntwana. This AFCON that we're going to play the qualifiers, no, we might not even qualify. I'm telling you, we might not even qualify. Come Matala.
He's gonna bring back Tembazwane.
He's gonna bring back Tembazwane.
Really on the bench. That we know for sure.
Yes.
Guaranteed.
Yes.
Guaranteed, Mr. Mlam. He's gonna bring in Tembazwane and put Really on the bench.
And Lyle Foster and Mahopa are gonna still be our main guy.
Mahopa has to be there.
Our defensive striker is going to be
Our
there.
defensive striker Shama Pasi mangimbuza ngasho ukuthi masekakore. He has to be there. Hey, mwana tonight.
It's even about
Ngizondala ngathi.
Govimbu Williams for Tupac. I'm Matala. 2030 Govimbu Williams.
But I think
How do you learn that a problem? No, you make it sound like answer TV.
Get the favorites, but Elena, we know if we're talking form right now, you shouldn't be starting.
China should be there. Yeah, I get your point.
Just to dwell on this question, young son. I think in raise some good points. Development in that. Development is the good one. Yes, ngabheka ku coach or what yangithola, but the very most important thing ukuthi intwana as developer kanjani. Yangithola. I think if Rido was developed like Abu Yamal or who yangithola, he was going to be something else. We can't take that away. I think what we should focus on development. Orlando Pirates keep on doing whatever they are doing in terms of taking the local talent, because I think we are the ones. Young Tola who are doing that, and I would also like Kaizer Chiefs to also do that. Young Tola, because Nabo, as much as Singamapagani, because Nabo Sekava, my man, I need to
let him learn.
My man, I'm saying, if Kaizer Chiefs now is development grand. You must know South Africa is developing so well. Because Pirates is going to be developing. Kaizer Chiefs is going to be developing. Sundowns are Sibal. Because Sundowns, their main aim is to go abroad. Our main aim, not in terms of like local league, but for Bafana. If the development of these big teams, in 2030 World Cup, I'm telling you, we are going to the last 16. That's my sentiment on this one.
Yazwakala Mr. Mlam.
Angifuni bawine labaya sengishelo nje like in general yangithola.
Yeah, but you're making a good point. If we have like 4 teams that are producing and
alone.
we could be having a different conversation.
Previously, you see Vets, Mangisakula ngidlala. It was Vets, it was Super Sport. I think the Stars of Africa, Kabelo Dlamini, Tito, Babuya la. I think those teams maybe need development structure grand yangithola. I think we also need that ukuthi le ntwana lezi masesikhulile sesizibona ku TDC zobe kwabantu abadala.
And yabona TDC ntwana too, while you bringing it in, that was another good initiative.
Sure.
You can introduce something like that, if, maybe at a slightly lower level, maybe at an NFT. You want to, but in a reserve league now.
Yeah.
You understand? Then you're getting a lot of players that are ready for professional stage. You want to, even schools, in fact. Every Wednesday is Lali Disc, in fact. You understand? Bring that back.
School is a good one.
Want to bring that back.
And there's talent in Tangeskela.
Tony Kalada.
Mengdali future champs goes ngaleza inkathi leziya. I think
Sure.
we also nale ka Muntsipe. Pesita, I think they took it. Mebadala ngeTlepham.
Sure.
Leskela se Sundowns. I think even for schools in Tanga it's a good one.
Yeah.
Because mina naskathi ngisakeleza mikunabo Coca-Cola, future champs, Muntsipe Foundation what. I think that's a good one.
I think now besidlala i-Ackermans no fire.
Yeah.
Kude ngama 90s.
Indaba ngiyakho ukubonisa amapha kaniya. Eyinkosi ze 9s, the 9s. The 9s.
Oh yeah, bet. But I think le ikela mfana could help immensely in our development.
And iskela siyaklina.
Sure.
Iskela top.
Those guys, it shouldn't be even a open debate thing. They must just
Straight up.
try and come up with something that will give at least the recognized league for the game.
Sure.
Exactly.
I mean, Wednesdays are for sports day.
Exactly.
These
That's what I'm
boys
saying.
must just and Baplome go going but to be walk up by.
Exactly.
Let them play.
Must go there.
In fact, thina umeni yaribeka kushana ngempama. Uthi wena ongeza ngegroundini.
Ya polo.
Yo, suyajabula.
Awuthi polo wena.
You are fixing the country.
Mata ufite la. Oh mata so tomo ke.
Sure.
I think that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a good one. We've reached the end of the show. Awusivalele yona fire. Ngakukayela uMzansi yona.
Awuyivale mfana.
Ayivale mfana.
Thanks for tuning in, Mzansi. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Weka mapagania lapha phezu kwakho fa. Weka mapagania phezu kwakho. Bopa.